Hey y'all, hope everybody is doing well. I'm just going to jump right into it with this video. These are my Amazon planters that I did a video on maybe like a month ago, and I filled one and then I was waiting to fill the other, but I wanted to go ahead and do a video about these particular planters and what all I was doing with them. I'm currently filling this first planter with all Snapdragons, a wide variety of Snapdragons, some Madame butterflies, some Potomac, some Rocket series, a wide variety of them, and I'm really looking forward to this bed just being filled with beautiful Snapdragons. Once they all really get going in the spring, I will be setting up a netting for them to grow through so that they don't fall over, but these should do really well through the winter and the cold season. They do great with cold. Now if I have long periods of time with extended freezing temperatures, I will be covering these, but for the most part they will be uncovered for most of the season. This bed is filled with I believe it's 10 to 12 bags of raised garden mix and 4 to 5 bags of compost. So these already have a lot of really great nutrients in them, so I did not add an additional plant tone to them, but I will probably add that plant tone once we get into the early spring times, just to give them another boost for the season. Okay, after I got these Snapdragon seedlings, which by the way, I grew all from seed, so I'm super proud of myself. My husband was a good sport and went and hauled more bags of the raised bed mix to add to the other flower bed, the other Amazon flower bed that I have. And then he also picked up the compost for me. He's such a good guy. This whole gardening, obsession, he's really just gone with the flow of it. He's really great about encouraging my passions. And so he was laughing at me as I was filming him. He did not want to be filmed, but y'all all give him a shout out because he is awesome. So anyway, once we get home, he did all the back labor for me and hauled everything in, and we started getting the beds all filled up. Okay, here you can see me working with another type of raised flower bed that I ordered off of Amazon. It is a flexible kind of like nylon situation, and it's 3 compartments that are about 12 by 12 by 12. And you fill them up with soil. They have holes at the bottom to allow moisture to flow through, and then they can be maneuvered throughout your space and then moved or put away on off seasons and such. They were very cheap, y'all, and that was my goal. I was like, what does it look like to get like a really cheap option? Because a lot of us don't have the options to go and get these really expensive, beautiful raised beds. Some of us, are working on a budget, like myself, and so I wanted to explore some options that were more cost effective and kind of get an idea for them. I liked how easy these were to work with. I do not like their appearance. I do like for my things to be attractive, but I'm also wondering if I might enjoy them more once they actually are filled with blooms or whatever I decide to put in there. Once they're filled with something living, will I like them more? They were super easy to fill out. It took almost 2 full bags to fill a set of 3 planters. You can buy these in sets of 2, and I will drop that link below. Just as a reminder, it's an affiliate link, so yes, if you purchase from that, it does give me a little bit of money towards Amazon. However, don't feel obligated to do that. You can go directly to Amazon and order them yourself without an affiliate link. They're both the same cost either way, but I did want to be super upfront about that with you guys. But yeah, you buy them in sets of 2. I'll drop the price down below too as well. Inexpensive. I think they're very workable. The only thing that I don't love about them, like I said, is that they are unattractive. Once I had filled them, I did take a bag of compost and put half a bag on each set of 6, just to make sure I had some extra nutrients in there. Okay, I need to get these guys planted. These are Brussels sprouts. Let me get it right here. Brussels sprouts right here. I got no other information on what any particular variety they are. We'll see. This is a red romaine lettuce. Gotta get that into the ground. And then over here, I grew all of these from seed. This is red mustard. Aren't these beautiful? Look at the bear. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, and I'm gonna be filling in part of this bed right here. I do have some Snapdragon seedlings over there, but since I filled all of this bed with Snapdragons, I'm gonna put those in a different area just to see how they turn out and how they do. Let's get started. I did want to point out, because I don't usually show it, but you need to water in anything you've planted, bulbs, seedlings, plants, no matter what. Make sure you water them in really, really well immediately after planting. Okay, so I'm going to plant some garlic cloves. These are cloves that have been on my stove for a while, so they have been drying. So this is just generic from the grocery store garlic, and you just break it up into individual cloves. You are going to plant the cloves in kind of a loose, well-draining soil, nothing too moist. You want to plant them approximately 3 inches deep if you're adding mulch on top. If you're not adding mulch on top, then go ahead and plant them 5 inches deep and water in well, and you should be good to go. I'm planting mine now in the middle of October with hopes that I will be able to harvest these beginning of next summer. I'm going to put about, let's see, 7 per container back here. And you're going to point, the pointy side is going to be pointing up. The part that attaches the cloves all together into one, you know, big giant gathering clump of cloves is going to be facing down. So pointy side up. Part that attaches it to the clove pointing down. This is a really great way to turn one clove into lots and lots of cloves. You can definitely order your cloves online if you would like, but I've always had pretty good luck with what's from the grocery store. I'm not adding any additional fertilizer in this because I have a lot of compost in here, as I just recently filled all these guys. All right. There we go on that. Okay, I'm also planting some pink lettuce, Lolo Rosso pink lettuce, and I'm just going to be sowing it across the top of these 3 containers right here. And basically all I'm going to be doing is sprinkling and then roughing up the soil a little bit with them. Just like that. I'm looking for more baby greens, not full heads of lettuce. If I was doing full heads of lettuce, I would be looking to spread them about a foot apart. These should sprout in about 6 to 14 days. Okay, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I will keep you updated on these Amazon beds and how they're doing and how they hold up over the year. And as always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.